Hello everyone, I'm Naomi from Prospero, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Prospero's booking portals to streamline booking requests, decrease busy work, and minimize back and forth while keeping your theater's calendar completely up to date, no matter how many requests roll through. When a potential booking client uses a portal to reserve a space, the request is added as a pending booking directly to the master calendar as soon as it is requested. This instantly puts potential bookings in the context of existing events, so you can make decisions about bookings quickly. To create a new portal as an admin, navigate to the Booking Portals tab in the sidebar and click Add Booking Portal in the top right corner. You can now begin to configure the details of the landing page, a description of the portal, calendar appearance, booking form fields, and space availability. Each booking portal is accessible to bookers through a customizable landing page. In the Configuration tab, you can set a custom URL for the page and change the colors, logo, and banner to reflect your organization's branding. You can password protect the page or set it public to make it accessible to anyone with the link. Toggle the draft button to set the portal live once the portal details are finalized. Each portal must be assigned to an admin to manage bookings and receive email notifications for new requests. The default admin assigned will be the current user account, but you can select any of the admin users in your organization. Note that other users in the organization will still be able to view and edit all booking requests by default. If you want to restrict editing or viewing permissions, you can do so in Settings if you have access to member permissions. Venues are subdivided into spaces in the app. You can make both spaces and entire venues available to book. Once you add the available spaces, you can choose whether you want to allow bookers to request spaces or inventory items that are already in use. The description you add will appear on the landing page to provide any information you want to be immediately available to bookers. Once spaces are added in the Configuration tab, you can customize the appearance of the customer-facing calendar in the Calendar tab. Color events according to a specific resource, such as by location or project. If you choose to display a legend, you can choose to list all the options for a specific resource, such as all projects or all locations, or select specific ones to display. For example, if there's an event for a show you haven't announced yet, you can display that project's events in a different color without disclosing that color's project in the legend. You can also adjust event privacy by displaying booked events by the event title or simply as booked. The same can be done for pending requests. To hide the title of pending booking requests, you can display these events as requested. This way bookers can see times that have been requested but not confirmed. In the Booking Form tab, you can edit an intake form to collect information for requests. The booking form is preset with default fields, but is fully customizable to ensure that customers provide you with all the information you need to confirm bookings. Add multiple field types for contact and event info, and reorder as needed. You can allow bookers to associate their event with existing tags and projects to automatically organize the request in the calendar. You can also make inventory and consumable items available to request when booking. Add a Note to Admin field to allow bookers to leave any additional details about their event, and upload your organization's booking terms and conditions for clients to accept at the end of the booking form. A preview of the customer-facing booking form is displayed on the right and will update when you save changes. In the Spaces tab, you can manage the venues and rooms that you've made available for use in the Configuration tab. Add details about the space, display a physical address, and choose whether to make the inventory items associated with that space available to bookers. Inventory items can be assigned to spaces from their respective pages in the Sidebar Inventory tab. Set space availability for each day of the week. To make a space unavailable on a certain day of the week, set the available time as 12 p.m. to 12 p.m. Preview the space homepage on the right as you edit. When you are ready to open the portal to bookers, set the portal status to Live in the Configuration tab. To view the portal as a booker, Simply copy the URL from the Configuration tab and paste in your browser. This will take you to the main landing page, with a portal description, brand design, and sidebar to navigate the portal. When a booking is requested and added to the calendar, it is clearly indicated in gray with a dashed left border and contains the booker's name, booking status, and event description. Any locations, projects, items, or tags that were selected at the time of the request are automatically added to the booking. For more information, check out the Prospero knowledge base, accessible in the app from the Help tab, or send us an email at support@prosperoapp.com. Happy scheduling!